Hello viewers, welcome to my channel All Bangla 100. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turn off problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, then scroll down, click on general management, tap on reset, click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting, tap on reset, click on connection, turn on flight mode, just few seconds. Now swipe down notification panel, click on Wi-Fi, tap on details, turn on Wi-Fi, tap on view modes, turn on auto reconnection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.